Hey, what up, everyone? It's your boy Dayo, and this is Frunkla Investment. So, guys, today we're going to be talking, like always, about Bionano Genomics, of course. So, right now we can see the pre-market is a little bit, stable. I mean, nothing big, nothing big is going on. And yesterday we closed like minus 5.47%. The stock was down like 0.31 cents. I want you guys to know something, right? This stock is still very cheap, undervalued, and it is very volatile. So if this stock goes down by a little cent, like 31 cents, it's going to show like minus 5%. Like for example, if Tesla goes down like minus $5 or $10, it's going to be relatively very small. It's gonna be like minus 0 point something percent. So that's why you guys shouldn't worry much about this. You just have to keep your eyes on the price. And also, I would like to say something. This stock is not something like, get rich quick. It takes time. We have to keep our eye on the price. We have to know where we are going. My price target is 100 US dollars, so I am not in a hurry because I know a lot of people are like worried about the pre-market, the after hour, the stock price. You just have to follow my technical analysis. You have to follow the support, the resistance if you want to add to your portfolio. Of course, the cheaper this thing remains over time, the better it is for us, because we know sooner or later, people like ARK Investments, all these institutional investors are still going to put their money in this stock. So if it remains cheap for a while, it means we can always buy it every month, because that is what I do. I'm getting my payment, and I'm putting some payment into my portfolio, and for sure it's going to be going into Bionanogenomics every month. So that's one thing I want to clear for you guys. And also, I hope you guys know that it took Tesla like years, like 3 years. Tesla was consolidating for like 3 years, since 2014 until 2020. Even that's 4 years, guys. Tesla was consolidating around that 300 US dollars level pre-split, and it went down to like 178 US dollars level before everything set for that company, and it started to go up. And right now Tesla is trading above 4,000 US dollars. So from 200 US dollars to 4,000 US dollars, it took Tesla like 1 year to get to that level. So guys, take it easy and take your time. Let's talk about the technical analysis before I continue with the fundamental analysis. So like always, we're going to start with the weekly candlesticks, and we can see this week is still a little bit down, but if we want to compare it with last week, we can see last week we closed around this level, 4.68 US dollars. And right now we are still above where we opened last week. Last week, the price opened at 5.19 US dollars, and we are still above that level. So right now in pre-market, I think we are still around this level in pre-market, 5.40 US dollars. As you guys can see, the stock is up around 0.75% pre-market. So we are around this level presently. And hopefully we're going to close the week green. And if not, we are going to close it above this 5.23 US dollars. So we just have to stay. Like I showed you guys, I'm going to switch over to the dailies, and we can see this is the dailies, Monday, Tuesday, and of course it's been closing red this week, which is of course not good technically, but we just have to stick to it. Let me switch over to the 4 hours chart and 1 hour, because I have something I want to show you guys. All right, so this is the 4 hours candlesticks. We can see the price is still in this range. We can see there's clearly a support around this level. I'm going to move it down a little bit, because in 4 hours, I think I can see it clearly. There is a support around this 5.26 US dollars level, and the pre-market was at one point around this level, 5.26 US dollars. And right now the pre-market is a little bit higher. So let's take a look at the 1 hour candlesticks. So yeah, we can see there's clearly a support around this level. The price went down again, and then down again. So we will see. This is where I'm watching today, guys. This level is where I am watching right now, and hopefully we're going to move to this upper band. And if not, if we manage to cross this support line, if we moved below this line, I still have my price, this 5 US dollars level. If not, this is where I believe we are coming to 4.50 US dollars, because it's been a very good support for us. Previously, we can see it came down, and then it went up. So 4.50 US dollars. I am just accumulating these shares, guys. At cheap, the cheaper it remains, the more I am accumulating, and I am patiently waiting. That is all about the technical analysis, guys. But if we manage to break this 6 US dollars level, then that is a wonderful news, guys. Then it's going to become a support. So we are going to stay above this level, which is good. All right, so that is all about the technical analysis, and I'm going to move over to the fundamental analysis right now. All right, guys, you can see the price has, it has retraced back to that 5.27 US dollars, 5.26 US dollars level I just spoke about in the technical part of this video, and so we just have to focus on the fundamental right now. So yesterday there was this big news from Bionanogenomics. This is the title. Bionanogenomics announces closing of 101.8 million US dollars, 101.8 million US dollars underwritten public offering of common stock and full exercise of underwriters option to purchase additional shares. So last week, we all know Bionanogenomics made an offering last week, and they sold some shares, and this is the number of shares they managed to sold. 33.3 million shares, and including 4.3 million shares, and I believe they made they sold it around this 3.05 US dollars level according to them, and they made like 101.8 million US dollars, which is very, very good news for the company. It means right now Bionano have some cash in hand, which is very good for their research and development. And of course, whatever is good for Bionano is good for the investors as well. So I'm just going to read this because there's something I want to point out for you guys, which I think they are not talking about. I hope I am wrong. So Bionanogenomics Inc. announced today the closing of its previously announced underwritten public offering of 33.3 million shares of its common stock, including 4.3 million shares sold pursuant to the underwriters exercise in full of their option to purchase additional shares at a price to the public of 3.05 per share. The gross proceeds of Bionano from the offering before deducting underwriting discounts and commissions and offerings expenses were approximately 101.8 million US dollars. So Oppenheimer acted as the sole book running manager for the offering. BTIG LLC acted as the lead manager, and Ladenburg Thalmann & Co. Inc. and Maxim Group LLC acted as the co-managers. So there's something that is not clear to me in this, guys. I have been looking at this since last week, since they announced the offering last week. They announced last week, but this date keeps coming up, August 14, 2020. And if you read this part of the article, you can see the shares were offered pursuant to a shelf registration statement on Form S3, file number, blah, 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 previously filed on August 13, 2020 and declared effective by the Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, on August 25, 2020. A final prospectus supplement and accompanying prospectus relating to the offering have been filed with the SEC and are available on the website of the SEC. This date, I don't really understand what is happening with this date. I believe this offering is something that Bionano has already planned in the past. I don't want to go deep into that because I don't understand it, but I think if you guys understand it clearly, please use the comment section and try and explain it to me or the my fellow readers. So I think Bionano already made plans for this share since 2020. Maybe something happened, maybe because the stock price was below $1 US and they couldn't do it, and then later, now that the stock price is above $1 US, they are able to activate it. I don't know, but I don't think this number is right. I've been following on stocks of several companies like Tesla, like NIO. Whenever they do offering, it's always on the date they announce the offering, or at least a few days before the offering, not like some months before the offering. So yeah, that is that, guys. So let's go to Bionano website because there is we have one more thing I would like to talk about, and that will be it for today. because we have this symposium going on. And what's gonna happen today? On Monday was the constitutional cytogenetics, and on Tuesday, yesterday, was the MA malignancy, and it was very nice. We had like 8 speakers, and on Monday we had like 5 speakers, I believe. Yesterday was 8, and today we have the solid tumor. So I'm going to read this for you because this is what we have today in the symposium. As you guys know, I always talk more about, I tweet about the symposium, I tweet about the conclusions of the experts, about my opinion, what is clear to me, what's not clear to me. And if you want to join us, you can easily go on Twitter. My handle is bonus level fund. You can find me on Twitter and you can join us. We always discuss about the stock price as well, so feel free to join us. So this is what we have today, Wednesday, January 13th, solid tumor. So in this section, speakers will discuss the analysis of solid tumor genome structure in the head and neck cancer, non-inflammatory and inflammatory breast cancer, liver cancer, uveal melanoma, ending with an update on the development of a cancer LDT with Sapphire. So today is going to be hot topics, guys. Hot topics, guys. Hot topics. Today we're going to be talking about cancer, and that is why I'm invested in this company. I want to make the world a better place. I have lost somebody to cancer, and I hope our science community, can finally figure out how to solve this cancer problem, and at least, remove the death part of it. If they are able to manage it, it's a good news for us. Yeah. So today is going to be about cancer. And guys, look at this. We have the liver cancer there. We have the breast cancer, which is killing a lot of women. These are terrible things, and that's why I'm invested in this company passionately. So yeah, I hope you guys are also invested passionately in this company, and you're not just in for the money. So that is it today, guys. That is it. I'm going to continue on Twitter now. I wish you guys a very wonderful day. I remain your boy Dayo. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe like always. Hit the like button, destroy the like button, and be good. Be good. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.